Today I'm going to show you how to verify your Epic Games account step by step in the quickest and easiest way possible. This is a really important process because account verification can help secure your account and make sure you can keep using Epic Games services without issues. If your account is already verified, you may not see the warning icon, but the steps are still the same if you ever need to complete verification later. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, or whatever browser you normally use. In the search bar, type in the official Epic Games website and go to the site. Once the page loads, sign in to your Epic Games account using your usual login details. After you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your username there. Click on your username and from the drop-down menu, select Account. This will take you to your Epic Games account settings page. Now on the account page, look over to the left-hand side. You should see a Settings tab. Click on Settings to open the Account Settings section. If your account has not been verified yet, you may notice a small yellow warning mark next to your email address. That warning is a sign that Epic Games wants you to verify your account. When you click on that warning mark, Epic Games will usually ask if you want to send a security code to your email address. This is the verification step. Go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions carefully and make sure you choose the option to send the code to your email. Next, open your email inbox and look for the message from Epic Games. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder just in case it was filtered there. Once you find the email, open it and copy the security code or verification code provided inside. Go back to the Epic Games verification page and enter the code exactly as it appears in the email. Make sure you type it correctly because even one wrong number or letter can cause the verification to fail. After you enter the code, confirm it and your account should be verified successfully. That's really all there is to it. Once the code is accepted, your Epic Games account will be verified and you can continue using your account normally. Again, if you already see that your account is pre-verified, the yellow warning mark may not appear, but if you ever need to verify again, these are the exact steps you'll follow. I hope this tutorial made the process clear and simple. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful gaming and software tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.